Alright, now let's continue to simplify radicals into mixed radical form. And over here we have 5 times the root 28m squared times n. Let's start with a factor tree for the 28. We can divide 28 by 2. 28 divided by 2 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. And all these guys are prime numbers, so we're done doing the factor tree. And the factor tree tells us that 28 is actually 2 times 2 times 7. So 2 times 2 times 7. And here we have m squared times n. So we can write an m, another m, and an n. They're all being multiplied. So great. Now we can take things out from inside the square root, from inside the radical, by pairs. So we have 2 times 2. It comes outside as just 1, 2. And m times m, which just comes outside as 1m. So we have 5 times 2, just 1, 2, remember? Because 2 times 2 inside the radical just comes out as 1, 2. And m times m from inside the radical comes outside as just 1m. Root of 7, which got stuck in there, times n. So 5 times 2 is 10. We still have the m. 10m root 7n. And that is the fully simplified radical form of 5 root 28m squared n. Over here we have 3 root 81x cubed. Now let's do a factor tree for 81. 81 is divisible by 3. So 81 divided by 3 is 27. 27 also divisible by 3. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So let's rewrite this as 3 root. Now 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. We have 4 3's in there, all being multiplied, and x cubed. Now we can take out numbers and elements by pairs. So we have a 3 times a 3 over here, which comes outside as just 1, 3. Let's not forget this one guy that was just waiting outside here. So this 3 just comes down. So 3 times 3 comes outside as just 1, 3. Here we have another pair of trees, or sorry, another pair of 3's that comes outside as another 3. And inside the radical, we have x cubed, which is just x times x times x. So 3 times 3 times 3 is just 27 outside of the radical. Inside, we have a pair of x's that can also come out. And the pair of x's comes out as just 1x. And we still have the root of just 1x inside. This x got stuck in there because it doesn't have another x to multiply with to come outside of the radical. So the final answer is this, 27x root x. Final answer.